In this video, I will show you how to launch your uh, app from Google AI Studio. So first, you need to build your app inside the Google AI Studio. So in my case, I built an stopwatch app, for example. Once your app is ready, look at the top of the screen and click the rocket icon right over here, Deploy App. After clicking it, a new window will open up called Deploy App on Google Cloud. Here you will see an URL that your app will use once it's deployed. Now the next step is selecting a cloud project. So if you don't have a project yet, don't worry, just click a create project. Give your project a name. So I will give it stopwatch and create a project. Google will start creating it in the background, and it usually only takes a few seconds. Once that's done, select your newly created project. Now comes an important part, is set billing. To deploy the app or launch the app, you will need set up billing for your Google Cloud project. So click on set up billing, and you will be redirected to the Google Cloud console. Here you will follow the steps, enter your details, and yeah, you will then go here, ML updates, like that. Now you will go through this section here, set up your information, and like so. And after that, you will click here to deploy app. Once the deployment is finished, your app will be live and accessible through the provided URL. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio app is now launched. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.